So part of the game that they play is they take me to the airport and bring me back by myself. This is a van for other people, not just for me. But they pick me up. This is the airport van. They pick me up by myself. There are a lot. That's a huge hotel. There are lots of people there coming and going from the airport. They pick me up from the airport by myself, and they take me back to the airport by myself. Take me to the hotel in the van by myself. Take me back by myself. That's the game. That's how they're investigating. This 25-year investigation works. There is no investigation. This is about mind control. This is to justify 25 years surveillance, 24/7 surveillance. And this is an example of that surveillance. This is a big van. It's supposed to be packed full of people. They're only supposed to make one trip an hour, but they're making 2 trips this hour for me because they're taking me by myself. And they also pick me up by myself. You see? They don't want anything else to interfere with their so-called 25-year investigation. They have no investigation. This is about mind control. They use the technology, mind control technology, to set up the victim, and then they manufacture evidence with that. They use the technology to manufacture evidence against the victim, to set the victim up and entrap the victim. And then they take that manufactured evidence and then they use it to justify the 24/7 surveillance that their technology is dependent upon. Without 24/7 surveillance, there could be no verification. And without verification, mind control technologies of the CIA fail. That simple. It's just that simple. And often when I'll do something, there'll be a phone call. And sometimes the person receiving the call doesn't know anything. Other times, it's a chatterbot, or it's a person. Anyway, the supercomputer is making all these, artificial superintelligence is making all these decisions at speed of light, and then energy travels at speed of light. So they get the notifications and they call quickly because you have people that are dedicated to do nothing else. Those calls are called verification markers, and they have other means. They have 1,000 different ways of doing it. But this is an example of how they play the game against the victim. Me leaving on international travel, trying to get out of Mexico, so they're taking me by myself. They're picking me up by myself. This van is supposed to be full of people. It's not. It wasn't when they picked me up at the airport. It's not now. There's only supposed to be one trip an hour, and that trip is supposed to have people coming and going. Brian too. Nothing is working. Nothing. Not my cell phone. Not internet when I need it. Not when I try to upload. Not when I try to do live feeds on Facebook. They're blocking everything, disrupting everything. It's unbelievable. Now the network, I can't access it. They blocked a ticket with more of their games, and it was $1,000. This is Holiday Inn. This is not some hostel somewhere. This is Holiday Inn. I should be able to access the internet, but this is the game I'm going through. It's even at the airport. They're attacking me and beating me up in the airport.
No.
I'm here. No.
He called
Excuse
me.
No. Back up.
Don't touch me.
Back up.
Don't touch me.
Back up.
Don't touch me.
This is the game they play.
He called me first.
So, I'm next. Okay? No.
Don't touch me. ¿Puede hablar alguien de seguridad, por favor? Por favor. He just knocked me down on the ground. He just knocked me to the ground in front of the police.
hit me in my injured shoulder. My shoulder was already injured.